Elliptical tube porous drill. This multi-axis drilling machine is widely used in various industries such as folding towers, tables, brackets, sunshades, umbrella set vertices, nets, exhibition stands, car tents, and outdoor furniture. The aluminum alloy irrigation circuit water bars and automatically and efficiently drilled knob-type control switch integrated in the control panel. Simple and clear, easy to operate. The whole machine adopts a foot-operated start work switch. This machine tool is designed and manufactured specifically for drilling aluminum tube brackets for outdoor folding chairs. It has the characteristics of high efficiency, precision, stability, convenient operation, safety, and reliability. Vertical structure of the entire machine, equipped with 3 sets of drilling power heads. Each machine head is equipped with a spray blowing device, and the spray chip emulsion can cool the drill bit and workpiece surface to ensure that the machine can work for a long time. This machine is equipped with a waste collection box, and the waste generated from drilling can be effectively collected without falling to the ground. The drilling depth can be adjusted according to the thickness of the workpiece, and the knob type is practical and easy to operate. Equipped with a fixed locking switch, release it to move left and right to the desired hold distance. Equipped with an adjustable horizontal fixture that can move forward and backward according to the different widths of the workpiece. Equipped with a left positioning support. The support can be positioned left and right according to the length of the workpiece to achieve the goal of drilling holes for both the lengths of the workpiece. This machine is equipped with a length ruler and pointer, effectively solving the problem of low efficiency in manual drawing of lines before drilling with ordinary platform drills, while improving drilling speed compared to using CNC machining centers. This method not only has higher efficiency, but also lower cost. The drilling feed rate can be adjusted, and only the knob needs to be turned to achieve stepless adjustment, which is convenient and fast. Circular, square, and elliptical pipes used for metal materials such as steel, plastic, QR35 galvanized pipes, carbon steel, stainless steel, and iron, with efficient porosity and efficient drilling.